Welcome to the channel US Mark Military. Here, we bring you up-to-date and in-depth information on United States military activities. We are on a mission to provide in-depth insight into the strategy, technology, and operations conducted by the United States Armed Forces in various regions around the world. This time, we will explore the surroundings of the USS Abraham Lincoln. USS Abraham Lincoln is a nimitz-class aircraft carrier operated by the United States Navy. The ship is named after President Abraham Lincoln and has been an integral part of America's naval force since its launch in 1988. Here is a brief preview of the USS Abraham Lincoln. 1. Dimensions and loading capacity. Length, about 333 meters. Width, about 77 meters. Draft, about 11 meters. Full load weight, approximately 97,000 to 100,000 tons. 2. Mobility. Propulsion system. The ship is equipped with 2 nuclear reactors which drive 4 steam turbines, each driving a propeller shaft. Speed. The ship is capable of speeds in excess of 30 knots, approximately 56 kilometers per hour. 3. Airplanes and helicopters. This ship has a long and wide runway, as well as a flight control tower which functions to operate planes and helicopters. The ship can carry more than 60 combat aircraft, including F/A-18 Super Hornet fighter jets, P-8 Poseidon maritime patrol aircraft, and F-1Z Viper and MH-60R/S Seahawk attack helicopters. 4. Defense system. Missile system. The ship is equipped with long-range air defense missiles, such as Standard Missile-2 and Evolved Sea Sparrow missile to protect itself from air threats. Weapon system. The ship is also equipped with a phalanx close-in weapon system, CIWS, cannon for defense against approaching threats. 5. Operational capacity. The ship has a large capacity to carry fighter planes and helicopters and can operate for extended periods without refueling or replenishment. Equipped with hospital facilities, laboratories, shops, and other facilities to support the operation and welfare of the crew. USS Abraham Lincoln is one of the Nimitz-class aircraft carriers that is strong and influential in maintaining the United States maritime power. With advanced operational and defense capabilities, this ship is an important asset in the projection of sea power in various parts of the world. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the latest videos from US Mark Military. We look forward to sharing knowledge and building constructive discussions with all of you. Thank you for joining us, and let's start exploring the world of the United States military together.